Once there was a place where the air was filled with the laughter of children and the chatter of families. A silent tragedy unfolded, leaving behind a legacy of pain and sorrow. It was a cold December night in 1984 when Bhopal became the stage for one of the most heart-wrenching industrial disasters in history, the Bhopal gas tragedy. The Union Carbide pesticide plant, standing like a silent sentinel on the outskirts of the city, held a dark secret within its walls. On that fateful night, a deadly cloud of methyl isocyanate gas escaped its confines, like a malevolent spirit unleashed upon an unsuspecting populace. The invisible killer seeped into the labyrinthine alleys and modest homes, sparing none in its wake. As the night wore on, a silent wave of agony crept over the city. Families were torn apart as the toxic gas invaded their homes, stealing their breath and leaving behind a trail of despair. The once vibrant streets echoed with the anguished cries of mothers searching for their children and fathers desperately trying to shield their loved ones from the invisible menace. In the aftermath, the city lay shrouded in grief. The streets that once thrived with the rhythm of everyday life now bore witness to the aftermath of a catastrophe that left scars not just on the landscape but on the souls of its survivors.
We are demanding that for additional compensation,
empty swings in abandoned parks and silent classrooms that once echoed with the laughter of children served as haunting reminders of the lives lost and dreams shattered. As the years passed, the Bhopal gas tragedy became more than a historical event. It became a symbol of corporate negligence, government apathy, and the resilience of the human spirit. The survivors, those scarred, continued to fight for justice, a pursuit marked by bureaucratic hurdles and legal mazes. Their quest for accountability echoed through the decades, a testament to the indomitable spirit that refuses to be silenced. In the quiet corners of Bhopal, where the scars of that tragic night still linger, the wind whispers the stories of those who were lost and the resilience of those who survived. The Bhopal gas tragedy stands not only as a chilling chapter in history, but as a reminder of the profound impact that human actions can have on the lives of the innocents.